Hi, welcome to the second video in the video series about coping with scientific literature. In this video, I will give you a few hints on how to search scientific literature successfully and how to find relevant articles. Literature search is such an important part of the scientific work because it shows us what are the current research interests, what are the topics that are maybe relatively poorly understood, so could be a good research topic for us. And also, searching literature helps us get an idea about how novel and how attractive our own research topic is, and eventually whether our work will be likely publishable. Apart from that, searching literature has also an educational value for us, because by reading other articles we can learn about different methodological approaches, different ways how to present data, and so on. Nowadays, researchers usually search literature via internet, and there are various search engines that are available on the web that you can use. While all researchers certainly have their own favorite engines, here I will give you a few hints on those that proved most useful in my experience. For example, if you're a biomedical researcher, you will most often use PubMed. PubMed is a free search engine and it has access to the articles in the fields of life sciences and biomedical topics as well. It contains a large selection of international journals, most of which are in English. It is possible to search articles by different criteria, so you can type the keywords, the name of the journal, the year of publication, the name of the author, even the article type, so different ways how you can search and look for relevant articles on PubMed. An important thing is that when you select an article, PubMed will show you a list of similar articles on the right hand margin, and this is very useful because you can find really interesting articles there that are relevant for your topic. So just look there and try to see whether something is of interest for you. Another search engine that we use often is Google Scholar. It is also freely available, but unlike PubMed, it covers pretty much all disciplines, so not just life sciences and biomedicine. In Google search, you just type in your keyword or the combination of keywords, and you get a list of the relevant articles based on your keywords that you entered. An important thing is that below the title of each article there are words cited by. If you click on cited by, you will get a list of all recent articles that cited the article you're interested in. This is very useful and very important because this is the way how you can learn about more recent articles that were published on similar or related topic. Researchers don't use simple Google search so much because it retrieves a lot of non-scientific information, popular websites and non-scientific magazines. However, Google also has access to many scientific journals, and even more, it has access to the web pages of scientific institutions, research groups and conferences. Therefore, sometimes using simple Google search can be good enough, and sometimes that can be even the best option, especially if you're working in a field that is maybe not so much mainstream, and if there is some special search engine related to your field. I remember when I was doing research on a very specific topic about morphological changes in the skeleton due to anemia in archaeological context. So very specific topic, very narrow field. I couldn't really locate enough relevant articles to cite and to consider. But luckily I used simple Google search and I was able to locate a single article that was so important for me, and that was actually a conference paper the full text of that paper was only published in conference materials at that time, and it was available only in Google search. So if I had relied on the usual search engines that are more scientific, let's say, I would have certainly missed that important article. So I would say when you want to get the widest coverage and you want to include also more diverse sources of information, I can recommend using Google search. And finally, don't forget to read the list of references in the articles that you read, because you can find some great articles there that are relevant for you.